Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV. My name is Renee Garcia, and today, one of our 78 days of practical transurfing, day 53, shaping your own destiny. Remember, there are 52 previous lessons. If you have missed any, go knock yourself out. They're all there, and they are all amazing in their own way. This is a great way to apply reality transurfing practically to your life. But remember, before I get started, to like this video and comment below. I love reality transurfing. I'm pulling winners every single day to get a stack of these in the mail from me, and they're awesome at upping your frequency and your thought quality and really showing you that trusting your world gives you positive results. So again, like this video and comment below. I love reality transurfing, and you just might get a stack. So with that, day 53, shaping your own destiny. When a person takes control into their own hands, their life is no longer dependent on circumstances. The little ship of life can be steered in any direction away from the fate that is allegedly predetermined for you. It is all very simple. Life is like a river. If you row the boat yourself, you can choose which direction in which you want to travel. If you simply give yourself up to the current, you will have no choice but to float in the direction of the current that carries you. Vadim Zeland's interpretation. If you want karma, you will have karma. When you think that your fate depends on some set of unforgiving circumstances or the mistakes of past lives, you bring that corresponding variant of your potential future into physical reality. The will is yours, for you are the child of God. If you want to be a master, then this too is your power. The dual mirror will agree to anything. Okay, so that's kind of a short one, but I'm going to break it down. There's a lot of stuff going on here. One, this has to do with, I can't remember if it's in the Tufty book or the Reality Transurfing book, but the concept of mirror makers. Mirror makers are things that we latch onto and we believe in that predetermines our destiny, or determines our destiny rather. So like, if you believe in karma, or if you believe in tarot cards or the horoscope or superstitions or whatever it is, you are essentially turning that option into a reality via your belief in the thing. So this is about you being cautious of how powerful you actually are in creating your own reality. Every single person on this planet is creating their own reality, either consciously or unconsciously, right? If you are asleep behind the wheel, just like Vadim Zeland says here, this is the perfect analogy. If you are in a boat and you are not rowing or steering your direction, the currents are simply going to take you in the direction that it chooses. Now, the sucky part of this is that you still live that reality, right? You aren't creating it yourself. And this is a saying that I absolutely love. I can't remember who said this. I think Deepak Chopra said this originally, but he said, the dark side behind reality creation is that if you don't create your own reality, one will be created for you. And it is so true, right? Everyone is living a reality that is either created by them or created for them because a person lacks the cognition or the acknowledgement that it is in fact you that holds the key to your destiny, to your future, to your reality. You have to do that yourself. And if you let go and you let the current just take you, right, without you setting the vector, so to speak. I love this saying. Vadim Zeland says this in this book, setting the vector of the flow. Now, this doesn't mean that we try to control everything in our lives, but we simply set set the vector, and then we allow our reality to take us in the direction of our choosing. If you do not set the vector, then reality will be created for you, but you are still accountable for that. And this is people that really are not living the lives that they want to live and are struggling and suffering and all that stuff. Nothing's being done to them. They simply aren't exercising their right or their ability to start rowing on their own and taking, concrete inspired action, setting the vector of the flow towards that version of reality that is optimal. So, are you rowing your own boat today, or are the waves simply taking you in the direction that they are choosing? And how can you exercise your ability or right to take back control of your boat and get it going in the direction that is good for you, optimal for you? So remember to like this video and comment below. I love reality transurfing, and you just might get some of these. And thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. Please subscribe and please join our Facebook group, the International Transurfing Institute Facebook group, if you have not done so already. And remember to watch these videos if you are new to transurfing. They will greatly help you in developing your transurfing practice. Thanks, guys. Bye.